Sweden Student Visa 2026. Your step-by-step guide to a successful application. Begin by securing an official acceptance letter from a recognized Swedish university. Check that your passport is valid for the entire duration of your study in Sweden. Gather recent bank statements proving you have enough funds for tuition and living expenses. Visit the Swedish Migration Agency website and start your online residence permit application. Pay the required application fee online using an accepted payment method. Print all supporting documents, including your acceptance letter and financial proofs. Obtain comprehensive health insurance covering your stay in Sweden. Book your biometrics appointment at the nearest Swedish embassy or consulate early. Attend your biometrics appointment. Bring your passport and all supporting documents. Regularly check your email for updates or additional information requests from the embassy. Review every form and document for accuracy to avoid delays or rejections. Expect processing to take several weeks. Plan your travel accordingly and apply early. Once approved, collect your Swedish residence permit card before booking your flight. With preparation and attention to detail, your Swedish study adventure begins. Best of luck!